Once there was an young man, a young boy, a 15-year-old boy. He has passion for kusti, wrestling and martial arts. इनकी माँ बाप के पीछे पड़े हैं, मम्मी मम्मी मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ, मुझे एक छोटा अकाडमी में लेके जाओ, कोचिंग दिलवाओ. They said, अरे यार, you don't have left hand, तुमको एक ही हाथ है, तुम ये कुश्ती मार्शल आर्ट्स कैसे खेल पाओगे तुम? How can you do it? You have only one hand, right hand, you don't have the left hand. How can you learn martial arts? How can, no, बहुत अच्छा लगता है, I want to learn. चलो, let's go. They took him to an academy and they got him admitted into an academy. Guruji taught him, he practiced, he learned different techniques for 6 months. Then there was a national level competition happening. The players came from all over the country. The matches were happening. The preliminary rounds were through. And this one-hand man was through with the preliminary rounds. He reached the knockout stage, reached quarterfinals, reached semi-finals, and ultimately he reached finals. In finals, he was meeting a defending champion. सब लोग सोचा this guy will be defeated क्योंकि the other guy is a very tough contender. Very tough contender. Everyone thought he will be defeated. And the finals was also over. And this one-hand boy became the champion. How was it possible? How was it possible? How did it become possible for this one man? He even defeated a champion. In 6 months he became a champion. How? Willpower. Self-confidence. Practice makes a man perfect. So that man practiced. But all these things were also done by other players, no? Including the defending champion. Unless he has confidence, determination, willpower and practice, he would not have become a champion. He was a champion. Even the champion was defeated by this man who has only one hand, who does not have left hand. वो दोनों हाथ वाले हैं. That fellow has both the hands. Yes.
But the other person having overconfidence.
Oh, overconfidence. Confidence तो होना चाहिए, but overconfidence is not good. So the other person might have overconfidence. अरे यार, ये एक हाथ वाला मुझे क्या करेगा? This one hand guy, I will throw him. But then, a guy with overconfidence cannot become a champion. You see, he's a champion material. The champion material also got defeated. ठीक है, हम सब लोग सोचे ऐसे हैं. Even I also thought, but this boy को समझ में नहीं आया. So he went back to Guruji. Guruji, ये तो बताइए. I defeated those छोटा मोटा guys, fine. I went to semi-finals, fine. Reached the finals. How come? I defeated this champion. How is it possible? बताइए ना. How did it become possible? Then Guruji told him, look, in case of this martial art, there is something called knot and counter knot. Knot and counter knot. If your opponent puts a particular knot, if you don't want to fall down, you have to do counter knot. For different knots, there will be different counter knots. If you catch your left leg, right leg, this, that, there will be different counter knots. I have taught you a particular knot. When you apply this knot, and if your opponent should stand without falling down, he has to catch your left hand. He has to catch your left hand. और वो तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है. Your opponent should catch your left hand if he should not fall down. तो वो क्या हो रहा है? वो गिर रहा है और तुम जीत रहे हो. तो क्या बन गए यहां पे? Having no left hand, has it become a weakness or a strength? Strength. It has become a strength. It looks like a weakness, but with wisdom, it has been converted by Guruji into a strength. It's possible. Lot of times we think lots of things as weaknesses, but in reality those weaknesses may be your strengths. Those weaknesses may be your strengths.